There's not too many properties in the Florida Keys you can only reach by boat. Stick around, you won't want to miss this one. Welcome back. I'm Angie Will, a local realtor here in the Florida Keys, here to share real estate knowledge and island intel. Okay, so we've arrived at Melody Key, and a little bit of back history on this tropical off-grid island is that at one point it was owned by the band 311 and is less than a mile away from Sydney Sweeney's estate and has also been on HGTV House Hunters. So I've been wanting to get out here and actually step foot on this island myself for such a long time, in fact, years. And I've seen the episode of House Hunters when the current owners purchased and thought it was the most fascinating place. So since Hurricane Irma, there have been a number of improvements. There are architectural plans in place and permitting. There have so far been 2 brand new docks installed. This one right here with a boat lift, or soon to be boat lift that's fully installed. This is just some sheathing they've put over the dock for now to protect the composite decking underneath. So, but it's all brand new. And pardon my dress and my heels. I was not really prepared for this kind of environment today. I expected something a little bit different, but nonetheless, it's super fun. And really, we're going on an adventure. And here we are, Zero Melody Key. I know it looks overwhelming. There's probably so much anxiety just staring at this property, but if you have vision, imagine what it could become. We are on over about 5 acres of land here. There's a separate generator house. The property is set up to function completely off-grid. There is a cistern and new framing everywhere. So Melody Key here was actually built in 1991 with over or nearly 3,000 square feet of living space. And when 311 owned it, the owner was Nick Hexum with the band, and he renamed it Melody Key for obvious reasons, I'm sure. There are architectural drawings in place, and I think the overall estimate to finish the projected completion is, or plans, is 1.8 million. So as you could probably see, the property's a bit of a mess, and that's because back in 2017, Hurricane Irma pretty much kind of came in and took out the former life that was here. But you have this incredible footprint right now. And when we get inside, you'll see that there's just so much potential. We have soaring ceilings with beautiful, gorgeous wood beams. I mean, you have 360-degree panorama views of the best of the Florida Keys. We have emerald waters flowing throughout, some of the best backcountry flats fishing ever right here. And you're just mere seconds to just get on plane and hit the open ocean and do all sorts of trophy fishing. Let's check it out. Follow me. So as you can see, there's plenty of construction equipment, and this property is actively being worked on. Behind me is actually the cistern for the property, and off to my right would be the future spot for an elevator. It's a 3-story home overall, and in front of me to my left is actually a gorgeous brand new observation deck that we'll show you later. Some of the extra special things about Melody Key are that it is zoned offshore island, so you are able to Airbnb or short-term vacation rental this property. You could turn it into an exclusive resort, family retreat, private oasis, a spa, a number of things really. Also, Summerlin Key is renowned for its private Summerlin Cove Airport, which is just a few miles from Melody Key. And we're about a mile to shore, so it is set up for seamless, entertaining, and lower Florida Keys enjoyment. And lastly, one very crucial detail is current owners do have an onshore lot that works and serves as your launching point to the island. So you can store equipment there, you can boat from there, you can dock there, and it's a beautiful parcel, so you'll never have any question as to where you'll launch from. Follow me upstairs and I'll show you some more detail. Leave it to me to wear this dress in a construction zone. I do have flats, but there are some nails and, glass shards around, so haven't had a tetanus in a while. So here we are on the full first level here. And you can see it's framed out and this is where the elevator would come up. And this would be your foyer, pouring into maybe a dining space below, or your recreational area, or maybe some guest suites. Right in front of me is a view of Cudjoe Key. So over my right shoulder is actually the Sydney Sweeney estate, which is under a mile from the property. And then if we walk this way, we have the generator house, which also has its own decking, so you can kind of make that a relaxing outdoor entertaining space as well if you'd like. Let's go check out the rest of the property. Make sure to bring your hard hat. So follow me upstairs. We'll see some of the original character of this 1991 or 92 build. Wow, 360-degree views. It's like nothing I've ever seen. I've spent so many years in the Florida Keys, from Isla Morada to Key West. I know these islands intimately, and I have never felt anything like this before. Thank you so much for checking out Zero Melody Key with me today in Summerlin Key. This property is listed by Scott Foreman with Royal Palms Realty, and they are asking $7 million. Give me a call if you want your exclusive private tour. I promise next time I'll wear boots, a hard hat, and normal clothes. Again, I'm Angie Will with Berkshire Hathaway Knight & Gardner, a local realtor here in the Keys. I can be reached at 305-489-1984.